How much should you actually spend on an indoor bike trainer stand? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Storabox Vertical Bike Stand. Priced at just $39.99, this freestanding bike rack caught my eye with its adjustable height and solid design. If you want a reliable storage solution without damaging your walls, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 360-degree lockable rolling wheels, you can easily move your bike stand around your garage or apartment without straining your back. Plus, it fits a wide range of bikes, accommodating tires up to 4 inches wide and holding bikes that weigh up to 55 pounds. You can trust this stand to keep your bike stable and secure, which is crucial when you don't want it tipping over. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it seems other buyers appreciate this feature too. Now, some people complained about the height adjustment being a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a straightforward bike storage solution and don't need to adjust it constantly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or have limited space. Skip this one if you have fenders or a bike that requires more specialized storage. For the price, it's tough to beat the value here. Now, if the Storabox's height adjustment frustrated you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more customizable features.
Product number 2, Flexion Bike Trainer Front Wheel Block. Let's check out the Flexion Bike Trainer Front Wheel Block. At only $8.99, this little gadget may seem simple, but it plays a vital role in stabilizing your bike during indoor sessions. If you want to ensure a natural riding position while training, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Flexion block elevates your front wheel by 1.5 inches, allowing for a more realistic cycling posture, which is essential for a good workout. The rubber-padded base grips the floor, preventing any slipping or scratching, so you can focus on your training. Its compatibility with a variety of tire widths, from 20C to 50C, means it can support most bikes comfortably. With over 300 sold in the last month, it's clear that many find it helpful. However, some reviews mention that it can feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you. While it's not as sturdy as some might hope, if you're using it on a flat surface, it does the job just fine without any major issues. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and looking for basic support while you train. Skip this one if you have a wider tire or are looking for something super durable. At this price, it's hard to argue against its value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a full bike trainer setup. Product number 3, CXWXE Magnetic Bicycle Trainer. Let's talk about the CXWXE Magnetic Bicycle Trainer. Priced at $102.98, this stand is designed for serious indoor training. If you want a reliable and quiet workout experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 6 different resistance levels that you can adjust directly from your handlebars, which means you can easily switch up the intensity of your workout without stopping. This trainer can support bikes with wheel sizes from 26 to 29 inches, making it quite versatile. Its pyramid structure enhances stability, allowing it to hold up to 330 pounds, which is impressive for a stationary trainer. The almost silent operation is a major plus if you prefer to train in peace, especially if you have neighbors nearby. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit noisy with mountain bike tires. Here's the thing though, if you have smoother tires, this should be a non-issue, and the benefits far outweigh the downsides in most cases. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy trainer that offers a range of resistance options. Skip this one if you have particularly rough tires that tend to make noise. For the features and performance, the price is very reasonable. Now, if the noise level is a concern for you, the next one might just be the quietest option on this list. Product number 4. Thinvik Bike Front Wheel Riser Block. The Thinvik Bike Front Wheel Riser Block, priced at $8.99. This is another great accessory for anyone wanting to improve stability while training indoors. If you want to ensure your bike remains steady and your workout is effective, this is worth considering. This riser block provides a 1.4-inch rise, which is ideal for leveling your bike for a comfortable ride. It's designed to fit most road bike tires and even some narrow mountain bike tires. With its sturdy molded plastic and skid-resistant design, it helps keep your bike secure and your floor scratch-free. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store when not in use. The fact that it's already garnered around 200 sales shows it's resonating with users. However, some users have noted that it's not compatible with fat bike tires. Honestly, if you're riding a standard road or narrow mountain bike, this shouldn't be a problem, but those with specialized bikes will need to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive way to stabilize your bike during indoor workouts. Skip this one if you ride a fat bike or need something very robust. For its price point, it's a solid investment for fitness enthusiasts. Alright, that was a helpful accessory, but the next product is a powerhouse in the trainer category, especially for those who want a comprehensive setup.
Product number 5, CXWXC Advanced Magnetic Trainer. Coming in at $109.18, this version includes added features like a quick-release skewer and a through-axle adapter. If you want a top-notch experience for your indoor training, this is definitely worth considering. This trainer also boasts a strong structure that can support bikes with wheel sizes from 26 to 29 inches, holding up to 330 pounds just like its predecessor. The adjustable 6 resistance levels allow you to customize your workout intensity easily. Plus, the low-noise operation makes it suitable for any indoor environment, ensuring you won't disturb anyone while you train. The quick setup and portable design make it ideal for users who want flexibility in their workouts. With over 100 sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users mention that it can be a bit cumbersome to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the ease of use and performance make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive trainer that offers both portability and solid performance. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward without the extra features. For the quality and features, it's a worthwhile purchase.
The Store Box is ideal for compact storage. The Flexion Block offers budget-friendly stability. The CXWXC Magnetic Trainer is great for serious workouts. The ThinVic Block is an affordable option for most bikes. And the advanced CXWXC Trainer has all the extras you need for a top-tier experience. Each of these serves a different purpose, so choose based on what fits your needs best.